Hello everyone, welcome to Smart NFT Tutorials. I'm going to show you how to upgrade Metfi NFT to higher level. In order to log in for MetaMask, the first thing to do is to make sure you've sent enough BUSD to your wallet for upgrade and also small amount of BNB to cover the gas fees. Go to Metfi dashboard, upgrade page you can find on the Metfi dashboard. Should you decide to upgrade your NFT, you must select one that is at a higher level than your current one. Each NFT upgrade is done in steps and no level can be skipped. Example, you are currently a Shrimp NFT number 1 and would like to upgrade to Fish NFT number 4. In this case your purchase also includes Crab NFT number 2, 200 BUSD, Octopus NFT number 3, 400 BUSD, and last but not least Fish NFT number 4, 800. This upgrade amounts to a total of 1400 BUSD. Scroll down and click Upgrade Now. Click Confirm for confirm this transaction. Wait until transaction complete. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video to your friend. Thank you for watching this video and see you next tutorials.